Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. In this video, we're going to make some easy tote bags. So it's time to get sewing and make something unique out of your fabric stash. Let's get started. My fabric laid out, I'm trimming the bag to the size that I need. Here are the two straps cut out. Here are my fabric pieces cut out, so the main part of the bag and also the two straps. Turn the fabric over so both of the right side patterns are facing together as shown here. What we need to do is sew down each side. Then we need to make a hem at the top, so we just fold the top over about 1 centimetre and that'll be our hem. Over to the machine and sew both of the sides. Now fold and hem the top. Now sew straight stitch down the side of both of the straps. Then turn the straps inside out. Now sew a hem at the bottom of each strap. Position the straps on the bag with pins and then sew on. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for some other great sewing projects. Bye guys.